welcome to the studio. My name is Allison Jensen, and I am the owner of the Orange Easel School of Art here in downtown Liberty. We are a children's art studio, and we do classes here in person at the studio and then also online. Today I'm going to be making a sensory bin for the month of April, specifically designed for our online quiet art and play class that we do on Tuesdays and Thursdays afternoons with our Creation Nation kiddos. Creation Nation is the coolest online art club that you could possibly be a part of. We have about 80 classes that happen every single month that our members can take advantage of, and they are all live, and they are all on Zoom, and they are all awesome for ages preschool on up through adults. So this sensory bin here today, everything I have in it is from the dollar store, and I'm just going to show you how to put it together. So let's go ahead and put this one together, shall we? I've got my bin. This one's actually brand new. It's also from the dollar store. This is a single kiddo sensory bin, right? It's not really made to be shared. It's just for one kid to play with. When we do our quiet art and play class, usually the kids are in their bedrooms because it's designed to be independent play. And we do yoga, and we do music, and we do art, like journal time, do sensory play, and then we share a chapter out of a chapter book. Just finished reading Charlotte's Web, and now we're going to start the BFG. So let's see. I'm going to go ahead and make this sensory bin up, and I'm going to start with kind of the base filler in my bin. Now I went with dry black beans and lentils, just for a mixture. I'm going for kind of a topsoil, kind of a rich black earth look to it. But then I thought the lentils would add a little bit of contrast, not just in the color, but also in the way they feel in their shape. Mix those up. I'm going to do one more bag of the beans. I think for my size of container, I probably can get away with just 2 things of the beans and 1 thing of the lentils. All right. We're going to add to this bin, I brought some flower pots. Fill those. The flower pots could be used to scoop and pour, or they could be used to like fill with the beans and then plant the flowers in. And then I also have some bugs. These are from the dollar store. I don't know if I need all of these. Sometimes in a sensory bin, less is more. Give it fly, and a little centipede. Grasshopper. All right, now I have all my flowers, and to just prep them for the sensory bin, I'm going to take the tag off and I'm going to cut them apart. I'm just using regular scissors to cut them apart. You could also use wire snips because that's really what's inside of here. I just use the regular scissors, and I kind of use the blade to cut around the plastic part, and if you just bend the wire back and forth, it'll go ahead and break on you. Just like the bugs, I'm not going to use all of the flowers. So some of these I'll just set off to the side. I bought 2 bouquets because I like the variety, not because I need this many flowers. I think that's it. So, and this bin is all ready to go for our next month of classes.